Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's actually sunny today and I think it's in the 60s. It's just a beautiful day here in Texas. Okay guys, so we're going to do a haul today. So we're going to start with Art De Nicole. Okay. I'm a little behind in everything guys, so yeah. So I apologize for that. Okay, so some of these things I ordered like in March. Yeah. All right, let's see. I love the Art De Nicole trays. I do need to order a bigger the tower. Yeah, let me show you this tower right here. I had ordered this one. I absolutely love it, but I need a bigger one. As you can see, it only fits 4. So let's see. I had ordered this color because it's absolutely beautiful, and I didn't have this color. And this is going to be for Grandma, for my mom. She loves to pop these. They sent me a cute butterfly. Look how pretty that is. It's a sticker. Okay, and this is their card. Art De Nicole by Jamie and Nicole. Okay. And yeah, I believe they also sell diamond paintings, so go check them out guys. And they also have a YouTube channel. All right, I love these trays guys. Look at pretty color, huh? It's like a turquoise. Let's see. And it's also like a little bit of see-through, which I like. And there goes the stopper to prevent the jewels from spilling out. I usually don't use the stopper, because I usually just do this. I cover it when I shake it, and so they don't really spill. But I love these trays guys. There goes the lid, and then of course you have the smaller trays. Okay, and this is it works perfect because you can put them on top of each other like this. See, and I love that. Okay, so let's put this aside. And let's go on to the next one. The next one is Lucky's Resin Werx on Etsy. And the guy's name is Luciano, David Luciano. He makes beautiful pens, guys. So let's see. Here's his card. Lucky's Resin Werx. Handmade resin lathe works, specializing in diamond painting pens. I make better. Sylvia, thank you, Lucky Luciano. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, I have no idea what this is, or is that just tissue paper? What's this? Yeah, that's tissue paper. Pretty color, by the way. All right, let's put that aside. And I guess, let's see, I have forgotten which pen this is that I ordered. I love that it comes in a very nice case, so just in case you need to travel, you can put the pen in here. Let's see, how does this work, guys? Aha. Very cool. Looks like you could put a cigar in here. Ooh, look at how gorgeous this is, guys. Let me put this a little closer so you can see it. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's very, very shiny, and it has like gray and pearly colors in there, and blue. It's really, really pretty, and I love that it comes in a case. Very cool. Love it. Nice. Okay, let's put that aside, and I will put all this in the description box. Okay. All right, and then of course this is from Lexi Sparkles. She has a YouTube channel. She's awesome, and she's very, very adorable too. And you could get these on Lexi Sparkle Craft on Etsy, and she makes all these beautiful different kinds of cover binders and trays. I loved the other tray that she made me. Let me show you. Where is it? It's right here. This is where I keep it. See? So basically I put all of this in nothing rolls from my table, which I love these trays, guys. I'd highly recommend them. Okay, so And by the way, she always sends the cutest little box with the cutest little sticker. See right there? Lexi Sparkle, Crafts and Gifts. All right, and then this is just, I already removed the information. I believe I ordered a glitter trinket tray. Okay. Hi, Sylvia. Thank you so much for ordering from my shop again. I appreciate you. Snap, tag, and share. All right, so let's see. Let's see what's in the box. Ta-da! And of course, little bubbles again. Bubble for Grandma. I just love. Look at this, guys. This is another thing. I have this right next to me. I use this, and then she sent me this. This is a lip gloss, a lip butter, and it tastes like watermelon. And then, of course, the hand cream, black opium. So I love these. I have them right next to me. All right, so thank you for your purchase. Thank you so much for your order. Enjoy 10% off on your next purchase. Yay! Thank you, Lexi. I will be using that because sometimes I forget to use that. Look at the stickers. I just love how everything she represents. You know, what is it? Presents the gift, the box. It's just adorable. Okay, so here we have a cat, a spotted cat, and it's pink. It's a sticker. And then we have a very, very colorful butterfly. And then, oh my gosh, look at this octopus. Just adorable. Look at those eyes. And then this is a handcrafted, visit me on Etsy. It's a cover minder, guys. See? It's a donut. Who doesn't like donuts? Again, just in case you don't know what a cover minder is, a cover minder is used for decoration and also used when you're diamond painting. And the diamond painting comes with this plastic cover, and you peel back the plastic cover and you put this on top of the plastic cover, and you put the other magnet underneath the painting, the canvas, and it snaps and it holds the plastic back while you diamond paint. Okay, so put my little donut there. And then this is awesome. She's such a good friend. She always sends painting with PDs. She also, I believe she also makes cover minders and some other things too, which I can't recall because I forget everything. But she also has a YouTube channel, and her name is Bree. So you go check her out also. Thank you. All right, let's see. Oh my God, look at how adorable. She put little unicorns. And look at this. Okay, before I open the tray, look at the washi tape. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's like blue flowers, blue violet. Well, it's more blue flowers. And then there's like little cats or little bears. I love everything, guys. And of course, ooh, grapefruit, body lotion, and lip butter. Oh, this is tangerine. The other one was watermelon. I gotta try this one on, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I must well take it out of here, right? And it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Look at that. Sparkles. All right, let's open this baby up. I love these guys. It's delicious. You want to eat them, but it's not edible, guys, so don't eat them. Okay, and then the grapefruit body lotion. Oh, you gotta peel this. See if I can peel it. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, well, I may not put lotion right now because then my hands will be sticky. All right, so let's open the goodie one. The goodie. Let's push this back. I love my trays, Lexi. Oh my gosh. This is perfect because I work upstairs and downstairs. So I'll keep one of these trays upstairs and then the other one downstairs. And I love, look at these little decorations she put in here. Love it. Crafted with lots of love. And I love the tissue paper. All right, which one is this one, guys? Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. Look at that. It's got unicorns. It's got like, these are like pearls, but you have white pearls, blue pearls, and pink pearls. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, and then again, guys, like I said, I have this one, and now I have this one. They're excellent, guys, because nothing rolls. Before, everything would go rolling. Here, let's try some more pens here. Okay, and of course, you want to put your lotion. I love it. Love these. They're also great, also, guys, for gifts, you know. Oh, wait, there's one more thing in here. She sent me the last time, I think it was this one. I called them for stress. You could squeeze them. And what is this one? This one is in, oh my gosh, this is a cute gray elephant. Can you stick something? Oh my God, can you put this on a pen? You probably can. See? But it's a cute little elephant, gray elephant, and it's got a little heart, or maybe a little pink round pink nose on his trunk. Just cute. I love it. All right, let's put those aside. All right, well, oh my gosh, guys, there's one more thing in here. Sorry, I didn't mean to scream. It's a pen. It's a really cool pen. This is gonna go on my tray, and it matches. Look at this. So pretty. Oh, this is a writing pen. Love it, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's gonna go there too. All right, let's put this aside now. Okay, just a couple of more little things. Now, I went to Michael's the other day. Not Michael's, I'm sorry. I went to Hobby Lobby, and they had a sale of 40% off. So I just had to try this. It's a Diamond Dots LED Ergo Stylus pen. And it says it's replaceable battery, 3 batteries. So I will be trying this, guys. I love that it has a little light. Those are the instructions in the back. Let's see. Let's see how this works. Pretty cool. See this? Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And then it says on and off. Oh gosh, can you see that? It's pretty light. I mean, pretty bright. Look how strong that is. Yep. Oh man. I can't wait to try this. It's actually so bright that don't stare at it. It blinded me just now. Only me. Okay. And that, like I said, I'll write everything down in the description box. And then I saw these. These are like little cactuses. Just adorable. Floral embellishments. So I figured you could put magnets underneath. And you can turn these into cover minders. Why not, right? Let's see. Should we open one? Let's open it. Let's see how this works. Huh. Is this... Oh. Why do they make everything so difficult to take things out? You know, it's like when you buy a toy. It takes forever to get the toy out. Let's see. Maybe if I open it through here. I don't want to cut myself because these plastics are really, really sharp. Okay. The struggle is real, guys. How does this come off? Wow, gosh. What the hey? What the hey? Okay, let's get this out of here. We're gonna figure this out together, guys. Let's cut this one out. Let's put this one aside. Is this attached? Oh, okay, I guess I wasn't supposed to do that, but I did. It doesn't matter because I'm going to put a magnet underneath. Just trim the paper. You see? Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So you could definitely put a little magnet underneath and it'll turn into a cover binder. See? Yep. So let's put those aside. Oh, let me just get this off. I don't like the way it looks. Let's put those there for now. Okay, and one more thing. This actually I got on Amazon. And you guys know I love, love, love flowers. And May is a wonderful month. This is Mother's Day. It's my mom's birthday. Okay. And look at this, guys. These are coasters. How cool is this? All different color flowers. See that? So you got a pink one, a yellow one, I guess this is like red. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love that it comes with this little stand, so you can put them in there. Okay, just beautiful. And then of course these are the drills. It comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And let's look at the quickly at the drills. And these of course are special drills, so they're gonna look extra sparkly. Okay, so you got orange, yellow, a light pink, another pink. This is like a yellow orange. This is like a I guess like a yellow gold. Another orange, pink, red, and silver. Wow, these are gonna look beautiful, guys. I'm gonna bring these downstairs because I think I'm gonna make some of these so I can show it to you next time. Well, anyway, so let's put them back in here. Let's see how this went. Perfect. Let's put this one on the top. I love the color. Isn't that cute, guys? I love everything. Okay, calm down, Sylvia. All right, so we got the coasters. We're gonna bring the little cactuses where we're gonna turn. Oh, I'm gonna move this down here. We're gonna turn them into cover minders. And we have the pen, the Art De Nicole tray. Let's not forget, well, we don't need that for now. Let's not forget the washi tape, the little stickers, the cover minder, little buddies, little elephant, yeah, right there. And then this pen, and of course, let's put this back so you can see it better. The wonderful, wonderful tray. Can you see that? Yeah. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Thank you.